Are you still using pads and tampons during your period?
You don't need to get them anymore.
Or maybe you are in the process of learning how to use your diva cap and have a couple of leakings here and there. So today I bring you one of the best solutions that I found out recently, and I truly love it. So today I want to talk to you about underwears that are designed for your period. This in particular, it's pretty big, and I need it because I do have a very heavy flow. But the first thing that you need to know is that you can buy different sizes, different shapes. You can get bikinis or even tongues. It's up to you. In my case right now, I decided to get these ones because I'm preparing for my delivery. As you can maybe notice, I'm pregnant. And one of the reasons that I'm getting this is because after birth, normally we have a lot of discharge for a couple of days or weeks, depends on your body. And they do recommend you to get pads. After you deliver the baby, you cannot use tampons or the diva cap. That's why you need to get pads. I don't want to use it, and that's why I ended up getting this big underwear. Okay guys, I want to show you. I ended up getting this brand, and I was checking it on Amazon, checking pretty much the reviews and comments of a lot of people, and they cost me $25 pretty much for 3 of them. And I just want to show you how much they can handle. The texture of this underwear is very nice. Pretty much this is 95% cotton and 5% spandex, and the crotch is 100% cotton, so it is very soft, it's thin, and the color is quite nice. So I just want to show you part that will absorb all the blood that goes to the back, to the end, and in the front it just goes kind of halfway. So don't mind these stains because they are water, and I was filming in Spanish, so my table is a little bit wet. But I do want to show you how much blood they can absorb. So let's try with water. This is 1 tablespoon of water, and I want to show you how much they absorb. Okay, so that is 1 tablespoon. This is the 2nd tablespoon. So 2 tablespoons of blood, still good. If I turn this over, this is still dry, and I want to show you, like, if I put my hand under and I press, just a little bit of blood, well, water here, but in the middle not much. And then if you see my hand, the one that was under, you can see that it's pretty wet. Okay, so let's keep trying. This will be the 3rd. Let me get it. So 3, and for example the front here, now you can notice that more water is getting to the border, which of course that will make a mess. And I notice that here it's a little bit kind of getting darker. So that's pretty nice. It can handle a lot. In fact, if I compare it with my diva cap can handle 1, 2, pretty much 2 tablespoons. So this underwear handles a little bit more than the diva cap, which is a lot. It absorbs a lot, which is very surprising. I thought that it was going to absorb less, so I'm impressed. I'm very happy. Because I've been using my diva cap for years, I really love it. It's the best solution for my period. And the nice things about this underwear is that normally my 2nd day during my period is kind of the heaviest one, and I do ended up having a couple of leaks here and there. So at night it's kind of uncomfortable to sleep sometimes because I'm aware of that maybe I have that leak and I don't want to mess up my bed. That's why I want to use these ones during those very heavy days, just to prevent and just in case. And this is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share. See you soon. Bye!